Ready? Let's see how much zoom we can get to the helicopter. Look, it's perfect spot. Stop right now. What do you think, baby?
Crazy.
Yeah. You see? Look, you see the heat from the engine. You see the heat from the engine? Do you see the heat from the engine, man? They're searching for somebody.
Something's happening.
Wow. Guys, we got two helicopters. Hold on. They're not picking someone. They are looking for somebody. Probably lost hikers.
Ramidogg ate some tree sap.
I know. I love you. What are you at? Helicopter?
Pretty cool. That was crazy. That one.
That's the number 2 right there, guys. Yeah, they're looking for someone. There were actually, by the way, 3 people lost in here 1 week before. 1 week. Well, that's no. 1 week before I was here. Guys, this helicopter is still there. No, it's leaving. It's looking for something. So, oh yeah, see, it's going in circles. They're focused on this spot. Holy shit! I hope they're not looking for Ramidogg. Guys,
here.
look it.
We're okay.
That's a sheriff, babe. That's a sheriff helicopter.
Yep.
That's crazy. All right, guys. Well, we have some action here, and here it's really steep, so I'm not gonna look up anymore. Look how steep is it. So we'll see.